Christians are called to belong. Ang Kristiyano ay tinawag upang mag-isa. Tama ba? Tayo, hindi na po tayo tinawag upang sumampalataya. Tinawag tayo upang makisali at makiisa sa sambahayan ng Panginoon. We are called to belong to the family of God. Sa Romans, sa binasa natin kanina, chapter 12, verse 5. Maliwanag po ang nakasulat doon. And by the way, sa mga pastors, I hope na turuan na natin ang ating obligasyon na tayo ay isang maraming bahagi pero isang katawan. One body with many parts. Corinthians, tinuro ni Paul. Pero ito, for just as each of us has one body with many members, and these members do not all have the same function, so in Christ, we though many form one body, and each member belongs to all the others. So, Christians are called to belong. Ang Kristiyano ay tinawag upang makisali at makiisa sa pamilya ng Diyos. And I just want to drive on this point on a personal note. Kagabi, pagkabot ng April, gabi na